Hey Toolerinos, in my recent video I showed this seemingly very nice quality Channellock Ratchet that had a broken pawl, and I emailed Channellock and asked if it was possible to get a set of replacement pawls for it, and they emailed me right back saying send us some pictures so they could identify it. And so I did, and then several days have gone by with no response. And I was getting a little bit discouraged. And then I came home from work today and found this on the dining room table. And it's from Channellock, as you could tell from the thumbnail. So let's see if we can see what they sent me. An empty bag. Alright. It is a newer version of that same ratchet. Fine teeth. I'm not sure if this is a brand new one or if this is one that's been refurbished or reconditioned. Let's see what the paper says. Well, the paper is just a packing list with an item number. Doesn't really give any explanation or details. So I don't know if this is indicative of the sort of behavior everyone could expect from Channellock. I hope it is. But it's Friday evening. I can't verify that right now while I'm doing the recording, and I do want to post this video this weekend. But as far as good companies go, when they stand behind their product well enough to replace a damaged one, how can you go wrong with that, right? So don't be afraid to buy Channellock tools and use Channellock tools, for example. Because they stand behind their product. Of course, the downside here is I really did want to fix this ratchet because it's still good in every other way. So I'll see what I can do about that. But in the meantime, I must know what it looks like inside this one. Aha! It uses a different system altogether. It has that single pawl that rocks back and forth, very similar to what's in the Craftsman one. So yeah, I can't take pieces out of this to fix that one, which sort of makes sense that if they've gone to this system from that system, they don't have the poles to send me to fix this one. And if you don't want to strip anything, always start backwards while you apply pressure until you hear that click. Then you know the thread has dropped in and you can tighten it without fear of cross-threading. Alright, there it is. Thanks for watching.